and pack all items needed for easy assembly. Place the mast into the base joint. Insert the long screws, flat washers, lock washers, and nuts through the base and mast respectively. Use a wrench to tighten and securely fasten the mast to the base. Align the push rod holes with mast holes. Connect the bottom of the push rod and the mast with a pin. Align the holes of the push rod with the holes of the boom and secure them with pins. Align the boom holes and mast holes and secure them with knob screws. Detach the pin with hole to boom swivel bar. Insert the short screw, flat washer, lock washer, and nut in sequence. And fasten them with a wrench to secure swivel bar and boom. Hook the battery box to the mast. Connect the motor wire with port 2 and controller wire with port 1. Hang up the sling. Rotate to the right to turn on the battery switch. Use buttons on the remote control or battery panel to operate the patient lift. Press the knob to turn off the power. Assembly complete. Here is the final look.